Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas, and I just got another one ready to go. This is a 2011 Ford F-150 King Ranch. This is a top of the line truck. It's got the fog lights, heated seats, cooled seats, all kinds of extras. Alloy wheels, the special badging for King Ranch. It's got the big old tow mirrors on it right there. Look at those babies. Fixed running boards. It's got these neat little pop-out steps for reaching in the back bed. The back bed is a foot longer than standard for a little bit more room. You should be able to get a four-wheeler in there and close the gate. Pretty awesome. It's got backup sensors, little tow package there. Under the logo, you got a backup camera. Pretty decent tires on it all the way around. It is four-wheel drive, if I forgot to mention. It's got a 5.0 liter V8 engine in it. Let's take a look inside. You got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Sony surround sound, power seats. The seats have been reconditioned, look almost new. You got King Ranch branded right into them. Let's check out what we got here. Microsoft Sync, which is going to include your Bluetooth, of course your auxiliary and USB inputs. You got dual temp. You also got heated and cooled seats. It looks like a CD player there. Four-wheel drive, built-in brake controller as part of the tow package. On the steering wheel, you got your Bluetooth and media controls. Air does blow nice and cold. As you can see, there's no warning lights on. It's got 163,000. Oh, that air feels good today. Dash is in good shape. Rear window sliding button for that rear window back there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. In the back, lots of leg room. Look at these seats back here. They look like they've never even been sat in. Perfect logo in the seat there. Check this out. Rear seats are heated. Don't get that on a lot of vehicles. Great truck for work or play. Carpet's in good shape. Doesn't look like it's had a lot of muddy boots or anything on it. Look at that. You got a 110 volt there, as well as your 12 volt charger. Nice brown leather seats. Looks like you got your owner's manual still in there. Getting the King Ranch badging. Beautiful truck. Love to get you approved on it. I'm sure this one won't last long. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the credit application, and we'll be in contact with you to get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.